Join me as I dive deep into the world of AI and try to uncover its darkest secrets. Can I reveal what's really going on behind the code? Understanding these secrets is crucial in today's technology-driven world, where AI is increasingly shaping our lives. The lack of transparency in AI advancements is a major concern, as it raises ethical dilemmas and potential dangers. Many AI systems are designed to operate autonomously, making decisions without human oversight, which can lead to unpredictable outcomes. This autonomy can be particularly problematic when AI systems are used in sensitive areas such as healthcare or finance. The potential for AI to perpetuate existing biases and discriminate against certain groups is also a significant concern. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can learn to reproduce these biases, leading to unfair outcomes. AI systems can also be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading disinformation or conducting cyber attacks. The use of AI in these ways can have serious consequences, including undermining trust in institutions and damaging reputations. The development of AI systems that can operate autonomously and make decisions without human oversight raises important questions about accountability and responsibility. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm? Specific examples of AI's dark secrets include bias in algorithms, surveillance issues, and autonomous weaponry. Bias in algorithms can lead to unfair outcomes, such as discriminating against certain groups in hiring or lending decisions. Surveillance issues are also a major concern, as AI-powered surveillance systems can be used to monitor and track individuals without their knowledge or consent. This can lead to a loss of privacy and a sense of unease. Autonomous weaponry is another area where AI's dark secrets are particularly concerning. The use of AI in weaponry raises important questions about the potential for machines to make life or death decisions without human oversight. The development of AI-powered surveillance states is also a worrying trend, as it can lead to a loss of individual freedom and autonomy. A surprising truth about AI development is that many AI systems are being designed to manipulate human behavior, often without our knowledge or consent. This can be seen in the use of AI-powered advertising, which can be designed to persuade us to buy certain products or support certain causes. The use of AI in politics is also a concern, as it can be used to spread disinformation and influence the outcome of elections. This can have serious consequences, including undermining trust in democratic institutions. The lack of transparency in AI development is also a major concern, as it can make it difficult to hold developers accountable for their actions. This can lead to a sense of impunity, where developers feel they can act without consequences. The need for accountability and regulation in AI development is urgent, as it can help to prevent the misuse of AI and protect human rights. The key points discussed regarding AI's dark secrets are that they raise important concerns about accountability, transparency, and the potential for AI to perpetuate biases and discriminate against certain groups. Let's discuss this topic further in the comments below. What are your thoughts on AI ethics, and how can we ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly? Be sure to check out my other videos for more insights into the world of AI and technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I will see you on the next one.